Soldiers rely on their weapons to help maintain superiority on the battlefield. Although soldiers are responsible for the upkeep of their own weapons, this repairer is the one who maintains and repairs our small arms and towed artillery. As a small arms towed artillery repairer, the Army will train you to repair and adjust a wide variety of arms. This military occupational specialty is open to enlisted men and women who are physically and mentally fit to perform the associated duties. To become a small arms towed artillery repairer, soldiers must earn a qualifying score on the ASVAB, or Armed Services Vocational Aptitude Battery Test. After completing 10 weeks of basic combat training, soldiers will receive 16 weeks of advanced individual training at Fort Lee, Virginia. While in AIT, soldiers will spend time in both the classroom and in the field. Training begins with an overview of the terms and basic functioning of firearms. You'll also train in the importance of preventative maintenance and the use of proper safety procedures. Then, covering one weapon at a time, you'll train to assemble and disassemble, as well as adjust and repair many different weapons, plus train in the maintenance and proper use of precision tools. While the 9mm pistol and M4 rifle are among the Army's more well-known weapons, you'll also train to maintain shotguns, sniper rifles, machine guns, mortars, and howitzers.
Two of the biggest skills are patience and attention to detail. Without attention to detail, we may not discover the problems that we're being asked to look for. And patience is key because you need to be able to stay focused on that attention to detail, and without patience, you can't do that.
After your initial entry training and advanced individual training, you'll work supporting Army operations day or night, where you may troubleshoot and correct malfunctions in all the weapons you covered in your training, such as problems with loading, firing, and recoil. In addition, you may inspect and maintain other aspects of weapons, like their elevation systems and travel locks. You may also check the tolerance of a .50 caliber machine gun, the wear on the barrel of an M4 rifle, or work with team members to repair larger firing support or suspension systems.
I really didn't expect to be working with so many different weapon systems. We worked from everything from the M9 all the way up to artillery pieces, and we're responsible for troubleshooting every single problem on these weapon systems. It's been a pleasure to work with these instructors here in the schoolhouse. They're very helpful. They make sure that you're proficient on each weapon system before they move on with their training.
You're here, you're with your friends, you see them all day, but when you're in the classroom, you get to learn things together, and you know that you're going to apply this knowledge in the future when we're out in the battlefield.
If you're working out of a vehicle, you'll be expected to maintain it and the tools you'll carry in it. The training and skills that soldiers acquire as small arms towed artillery repairer can lead to positions of greater responsibility in the Army and will continue to benefit the soldier after their service as they enter the civilian sector.
Based on all those weapon systems, we can transfer over to all police departments, state, local, or federal. We'd also work for Homeland Security, for example. Also, you can be an instructor here at the schoolhouse like I am, but as a civilian. All those gun manufacturers, you can get a job with them. Maybe own your own business as a gunsmith and be successful.
Soldiers depend on their weapons in training or combat, and their confidence depends on you. Military Occupational Specialty, Small Arms Artillery Repairer.